Good morning, everyone. This is Ahmed speaking to you of Forex Trading Signal, and welcome to the daily technical and fundamental analysis. Quickly, guys, today we have bullish head and shoulders. So you can see I have drawn this head and shoulder here. The blue line here, the tilted line, is the neckline for the head and shoulders, and you can see clearly that there is two shoulders, one head here. If the price did break 1847.57, then we will be having a continuation to reach 1859.05. Then if this pattern will fail, this has to support on 1836.35. Otherwise, if it's breaking that level, that means this pattern will start to fail. If it's breaking 1836.35, then we are expected to see the price achieving the 1825.91. All right, fundamentally, guys, today we have the Eurozone news. We have a lot of Eurozone news, and we have also the UK news. So we have the PMI, flash PMI, and we have the French flash PMI, the Germany flash PMI, and the flash PMI for the EU zone. Again, today we have the Canadian CBI, and that is very important because the Canadian dollar is also part of the index of the dollar, and that will affect the dollar too much since the US they are importing oil from Canada. So these will play the role in the market today. And at 6:45 p.m. we will be having the flash PMI for the USD as well. So today we have a lot of news, a lot of indicators, and we expecting to see a big market. Yesterday there was no movement in the market because the market was in holiday. Sentiment data, if you see for the gold, we have on the my FX box, we have 52% shorting the gold, and on the daily FX, we have 31% shorting the gold. That is will equal 58% going long. That means they are buying the gold and the remaining they are shorting the gold. So most likely the gold will go bearish. However, we have to watch this head and shoulder and we are expecting to see movement up a little toward 1859. If I go to the daily time frame and remove this drawing for you, you can see this candlestick here. It's like a pin bar. However, when that pin bar happened, the price did not move much up. So we are again expecting to see movement up, supported by the head and shoulders on the 4-hour time frame. This is today for the fundamental and the technical analysis. Hope that this will be helping you on your trade. This is Ahmed was speaking to you of Forex Trading Signal. Thank you and see you in the next analysis video.